Hi and welcome to this short video where I'll quickly show you how to give ChatGPT custom instruction so you'll be able to get better output from ChatGPT. Okay, so first I'll briefly tell you what this custom instruction is all about so you'll be able to give the proper instruction to ChatGPT and not just copying prompts from one place and pasting, so you actually know what you are doing. So this custom instruction is just basically you telling ChatGPT how to think and respond before you even ask ChatGPT to do anything for you. Now without this custom instruction, ChatGPT might try to be nice, agrees too much with you, gives you generic answers, and but when you give custom instruction, you can control the personality, you can control the depth, you can control the style of the answers you get from ChatGPT. Just look at it as training ChatGPT once, so you don't have to repeat yourself every time. For instance, if you want ChatGPT to write in simple English for you, when you give it such custom instruction, you might not need to be adding reminder you might not need to be reminding ChatGPT to use simple English for you. So let's just start. Okay, so what you do is you log into your ChatGPT app or you use web browser to log in. Okay, once you log in, you are going to look for that your initial icon that usually there. My own is down here as you can see, but you will likely see your own up by the left hand side. That's if you are using the ChatGPT app and not accessing it from a browser. Okay, so when you come, you tap beside your name, that icon there, you tap on that icon. So when you tap on that icon, you're going to see personalization. So we are going to go to personalization here. So when you go to personalization, we are going to scroll. As you can see, we have custom instruction here. So this is where you're going to tell ChatGPT how to give you output when you prompt it. Okay, you tell it how to behave so it gives you better answers every time without repeating yourself. So here you can tell ChatGPT anything. Okay, it can even be direct, focus on practical steps, use simple English for me, just write and give the instruction like you are instructing your PA how to how to run errands for you and all of that. You can equally go to ChatGPT and even explain to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you the prompt, and tell ChatGPT to give you a custom instruction you can copy and come and paste here. Okay, so I have some instruction I want to put here so you see how simple it is, like nothing complicated here. Okay, so I'm going to paste this instruction. Okay, so you see my own: be my ruthless mentor, challenge my assumptions, retest everything, and need bulletproof thinking, not validation, simple English, no robotic response, and sound human. Okay, so this is an example of custom instruction you can give to ChatGPT. So I hope with this video you'll be able to head to your ChatGPT app or your child or via your browser and give your ChatGPT custom instruction for better output.